Welcome to Arizona, the Grand Canyon State, home to dozens of national parks, monuments, and historic sites, grand forests, mountains, lakes, and beautiful deserts. 11 four-year colleges, 20 two-year colleges, and 21 specialty colleges call Arizona home. Arizona State University, with its Tempe, Polytechnic, West, and downtown Phoenix campuses being the largest and best known. Arizona's wide-open spaces and clear skies allow its residents to enjoy a wide variety of activities, such as snow and water skiing, mountain climbing, hiking, hunting, biking, exploring, sightseeing, and of course, golfing. Welcome now to Arizona's capital city of Phoenix, located in the Valley of the Sun and surrounded by the cities of Scottsdale, Paradise Valley, and Tempe. This multi-city community has an average annual daytime temperature of 85 degrees with 329 days of clear skies and sunshine. With professional level football, basketball, baseball, and hockey teams, the Greater Phoenix area is still best known for its golf courses. With the state's total number of golf courses totaling 250 plus, Phoenix is one of the country's best golf destinations. Annual events include the Barrett-Jackson Auto Auction, the Arabian Horse Shows, the Phoenix Open PGA Golf Tournament, the Arizona State Fair, college football bowl games, spring training baseball, and numerous art, music, and food festivals. Fine dining, gaming casinos, world-class shopping, award-winning healthcare facilities, arts and entertainment all contribute to the rankings and awards such as Scottsdale ranked number 6 of Best Run Cities 2014, Scottsdale ranked number 4 of Best Cities to Live in 2011, Scottsdale ranked as 6th safest city in U.S. 2013, Phoenix, Arizona in top 10 U.S. cities for foreign direct investments, Top Place to Raise Children, MyLife.com, 6th Best Run City, Wall Street Journal, 5th Safest City, Law Street Media, Number 1 spot for retirees, MSN Money, Top 20 Art Destinations, American Style Magazine, Top 5 Cities for Small Business, NFIB, Gold Award, National Association of Clean Water, one of only 25 cities to be awarded a perfect score from the National Human Rights Campaign, Number 7 in Top 50 Cities for Hospital Care, HealthcareFinanceNews.com, Number 7 in top 10 cities where Chinese are investing in real estate, Wall Street Journal. Phoenix, Arizona is uniquely situated with the excitement of Las Vegas, Nevada, the beaches and cities of both California and Mexico just hours away by car or a short flight from Sky Harbor International Airport. Residential real estate in the valley is very affordable. Single-family homes, condominiums, and townhouses are available in all shapes, sizes, and neighborhoods. Commercial real estate in Greater Phoenix is also affordable, attracting national and international investors. Ranch Realty has been doing business in the Greater Phoenix area for more than 40 years. We are local residential real estate experts. Family owned and operated since 1974, we take pride in our ability to make each individual client's dreams of owning real estate in Arizona a reality.